Welcome to season 2 of The Assignment. We are back bigger and better than ever. Hosted by design expert Gene Alert, each episode takes you to the streets of New York where Gene works his magic to transform every corner of a client's property. Get ready for the jaw-dropping transformations.
Oh my gosh!
Unexpected twist,
I'm literally pulling off tile off the wall.
and the thrill of seeing a place come to life, all in The Assignment.
Special guest. This is my son. Get it right the first time. People, get it right the first time. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Assignment. And guess what? We are back in Brooklyn, Crown Heights, New York. And this one I can't wait for. Number one, this is probably one of my favorite bathrooms. I know I say that all the time, but I'm telling you, this one is different, right? This one is different. This one is super sexy and a different spin to it. The client trusted me and totally trusted me on this project, and I can't wait to show you. Now, today's guest is Mario. I met this guy 5 years ago at National Grid. You know how in New York, they got the guys coming around from National Grid to check your gas meters, right? So me and this guy, he came to the front of the house. I told him, yo, you gotta walk in the back because I got a dog, a pit bull. I said to him, yeah, you'll see my backyard is different, so you'll know which yard it is. He goes to me, man, I do this. Every house in Canarsie is the same, all the backyards. I've seen one, I've seen them all. I said, well, you didn't see mine. So sure enough, he walks in the back. I meet him because I wanted to see his reaction.
And I went and I seen this place, man. It was immaculate. It was done so great. I couldn't even understand how he was even able to get it done, really, to tell you the truth.
All of a sudden, his energy was so explosive.
He fixed up, he put out these patios, these seats, these plants, these flowers. He had redone the ground. It looked like the place didn't even belong in the neighborhood.
His reaction was so explosive. I think that's where I even got the assignment from. He made me feel so good about the project. I know my project was good, but the way he made me feel was like, yo. But this one in Crown Heights, I wanted to get him to come see this one, right? Because this bathroom looked like a hospital bathroom. And the transformation from the old bathroom to the new bathroom, I definitely wanted him to come check it out.
He wanted me to come out and see a place that these guys had actually did to see if he actually understood the assignment. So I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna look at it, and whatever it actually is gonna be the truest reaction you guys can get, and we're gonna move from there. This is not the same bathroom, bro. Nah, bro. Yo, I can open this, man. Let me see this. I can open this? What the Yo. Oh, man. Nah, man. Oh, that's a damn 100%. You put your foot in this. No. This is awesome, man. What Gene said, man? He gotta come in here and see this again. His goddamn self. Ooh, yeah, man. Yeah. Ooh, that spread my. That's awesome, man. This is somewhere to sit right here. I'm really sitting on my throne right now, man. Good. Look at that. Man, please. Oh, man. Man, this don't even belong in here right now, but this can't be for real. Yes. Let me back up and see this. Look at that, man. Damn. Yo, you gotta open up this right here. Let me look in here right quick. How you do? Ooh. Yep. Yep. Boy. Yo, man, you gotta come through this here, boy. Damn. I love it. Simple as that, man. This is awesome, bro. This is awesome work. I'm really loving this. What is that? They got the temperature for the water to spray up your butt? That's what that is? What is that? Well, I got 86 degrees Fahrenheit on that. Nah. This is spray up your booty joint, right? Right? Is it? Yo, that's so nice. Damn. Y'all put some good work in here, man. And it's all even, man. That's one thing that I definitely look for, man, is for the tile to be even and everything is in line. Excellent job. That's professional right there. Damn. All right, man. Now, I should take a shit in there right now. Be the first one to take a dump on that. Right? Hold on. Cut. Yeah. That's dimmers and stuff all on here? Man, this is awesome work, boy. I'm really liking the finish on this too. Look how beautiful that is. Oh man. Y'all have decorators that come here and actually get y'all to choose what type of tile you're gonna use, or who actually sets the tone for what you're gonna use in here? Is that all G? Get out of my face, man. You get out of here, boy. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, bro. I am truly, truly loving this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Where is Gene at, man?
So I'm actually about to walk over there and stop talking because I'm so excited. And I'm gonna go walk right now and check him out and see my man Mario and see if I understood the assignment. Let's go.
And I'm telling you, this is one of them bidet joints, right? This is not a butt squirter. No? Or is it just electric toilet? What is it? You got a light in that? What? You assume nobody gonna be up in there looking in your butt, right? Look at that! And it's ready for you when you come in here, and just like it hears you, it's like it's smelling your butt. And it says, man, you really gotta take a dump right now. We're gonna go ahead and open up and let you release them kids into the pool. But yeah, man, that's awesome. Look at that. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. This is definitely more than I expected. I know when I saw his backyard, he did so many exceptional work, but this right here is a bathroom, and this is really promising. I wish him great success in the future, man. This is gonna be great. Damn.
What's up, man?
What the Yo, man, you did a good job in here,
yeah.
boy. No, man, come on, man. Is this your first bathroom?
My first bathroom?
Come on,
buddy,
man. Nah, man, you've been getting better and better as time went
thank
on,
you, man. I was just standing there, sitting right there, listening to you talking. I was like, yo, I said, look, Mario, I knew Mario was the perfect person for this particular
Yo, I
bathroom.
actually wanted to get in there, turn on that shower. And nah, man, you did a good job up in this thing, man.
Thank you.
If I had extra $2, $3, man, I'd come and get you to do it, boy.
Yeah, man.
You're doing a really good job.
Did you notice this?
Yeah. Oh, you ain't gotta touch it?
No, you don't gotta touch it.
Oh, I was over here touching it.
No. Just put your feet close
Just
to
wave
it.
it
Just
over
wave.
and
The water is heated. It
Spray
cleans
your butt.
itself, and it's a bidet. It
Yeah,
cleans your butt.
What?
Yeah, and it flushes by itself too.
Yo, yeah, I checked that. And it closed down. Yeah.
And then it'll flush by itself.
Come on, man.
86 degrees right now.
That's the Jetsons toilet.
That's the Jetsons.
Yeah,
But let me explain something to you. All my projects, I believe in having the clients experience some kind of luxury. Everybody deserves luxury. When you come home, right, from hard day of work, you know about that.
Yes.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
This is one of those bathrooms where you can recharge, feel good. Like this is important, you know? Like this is how I feel like every person should feel. Like, look at this glass.
Listen, when I came in here and I saw that, the first thing I wanted to do was sit down on it and just kind of like look around in my bathroom. This is definitely a recharge station. Man, this is exceptional, man. I mean, for real.
Thank you.
This is something that I personally want.
Yeah.
I mean, I really personally want that.
Yeah.
I never really had the bidet in the water squirt up my butt.
It changes the game, bro.
Yeah.
You never be like, what was I doing?
No, man.
What was I doing? How did I live? How do people live without that?
And here it is at 86 degrees. Gonna get a bottom wash automatically.
Yeah.
How could you beat it? This is too awesome.
And the interesting part about And you see it's a black toilet.
Right.
Black. You know, we wanted to do an all black theme, you know, in here to make it like really, really, really sexy, man. You know, and I think with the black glass, you know, and you see how smooth this is?
Yeah.
Like, look, you see me now, you don't see me now.
Yeah, just vaguely, just a little silhouette.
Just a little silhouette.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like,
you matching with the inside of that.
Yeah, bro. I love it, man.
You did an excellent job.
Yo, from the time I met you, right, over in Canarsie, I was like, bro.
And everybody don't get that.
Man.
Everybody don't get that from me. It's only people that actually can approach me is somebody that's kind of vibing off the same frequency.
Yeah.
Other than that, I don't really vibe with people.
Yeah.
So that expresses that you're a good dude.
Yeah.
You the type of dude that somebody should have some work done for.
Facts.
I really appreciate
Thank you,
G.
man.
No doubt,
thank
bro.
you, man. Thank you.
You're a good guy, man.
Yeah. And then
Way good work. This is boy. I love it.
Thank you,
This
man.
is beautiful. Indeed.
Yeah.
Excellent
So you
job.
remember how it looked before?
Hell yeah, this ain't nothing like what it was before. This is like it's from somewhere else. When I step outside right now, I can't even believe that this bathroom is actually in here.
Yeah.
That's why I'm really begging the fact that you really need to finish off the work in this house.
Yeah.
You do.
Yeah.
You got the key for it. Look how even see that even is. I'm big on flat surfaces, man. And you got guys that know how to do the work, but they come in here, they don't know how to make it even.
Oh, yeah.
You have the bumps on it. I don't like that.
Yeah,
This got an exceptional level of professionalism here, man.
Thank you. And you notice, did you notice this? It's a walk-in shower. Literally just walking in, how's the water not coming out?
This is what I'm talking
It's because
about.
you have to have, it's a level of professionalism and a level of craftsmanship. You got the waterfall and you have the handheld.
This is too awesome, G. For real though, man.
Yeah.
I know that you got good work, but I'm still surprised.
Thank you, man.
I'm still surprised.
And one thing one thing, but it's not on this one, but we have Alexa in here.
In the bathroom?
In the bathroom. There's audio. Yeah.
That's what that little speaker's around the night, nigga?
Yeah, but it's not on though. Alexa.
Yo, get out of my... Oh, no! What did she go? What she gonna do? Alexa.
It's not on now, but
Right.
basically, this vent right here is a vent that I always like installing in our bathrooms because it has a built-in Alexa, right? It has a vent, right? So it airs out the bathroom, and it has a light. This is dimmable. You could turn up the volume, so while you're in here, taking a shower, using your man throne, getting ready for the night, whatever you're doing, you can have your music on, you can connect it to your phone, it's super fun.
You think I can install one of those personally in my bathroom?
Yeah, absolutely.
Now, that is too awesome.
Absolutely. This is GFI. So this is a GFI outlet, so it's good for being around water, but then you could also put the USB-C here. So you have 2 ports. So you could charge, plus you have this.
I noticed you could dim and change the light.
You can change the lights depending on what you want,
Look
you know?
at that.
And this one is a defogger. So like when you're taking a shower, the mirror doesn't fog up. That's what this is.
Man, please, this is technology. This is where we're moving at. We're moving into technology.
Smart bathrooms.
Yes.
Everyone deserves
exactly.
luxury.
Yes.
Get it right the first time. That's our way.
And now you the first person that actually introduced me to this, man. This is right here is gonna tune it and turn it up for me too.
Look, the toilet agreed with you. It closed by itself. Like it was like, we seen enough.
I can't believe that, man. I really can't. And this is really nice too. I was figuring. Yeah.
So it controls, and then say you don't want it to hear you, or you don't want to, you don't want to talk to it anymore. You just press that button. We waterproof the whole bathroom. It feels good. It's lighted. It's a lighted toilet. Like,
yeah, I was checking that out, man. I'm thinking, who up in there looking in your butt, bro? You gonna be in here the nighttime?
Yeah, sometimes you come in the bathroom, you don't feel it's late.
Yeah,
just
you
walking in.
don't need to be turning on the light.
Yeah,
Let's
and
just
you
sleep
like,
That is awesome. That is really awesome because that's one of the first things I do, and that does mess my sleep up when I come in and end up having to turn on the light, and my pupils is wide open.
And there's dimmers here, so every light in here is dimmable. You know what I'm saying? Like every light is dimmable. See, we just dim the lights, and you can turn it. You can turn it over. You see how bright it just got?
That is nasty. That's nasty, man. Oh, so I think I want to take a crap in here, bro. For real. It's a really good job,
and if you aging in place, right? We installed a grab bar here, right? And
so that's not like a toilet
no,
paper
no,
holder. Oh,
no.
you can really use that.
Yeah, that's a grab bar.
Oh,
And we put a grab bar in the shower.
Oh, see, now I wasn't even paying attention to that like that. I'm thinking it's just like a little towel holder. Oh, Oh, that is awesome for real.
Yeah.
Damn, you come in with your broken leg, you can, get yourself some support, bro. That is awesome. Oh, man, I'm 260 pounds, bro. Good job. Oh, man. And this right here, I know that these right here are kind of exceptional. These are kind of exceptional when you got to do this work. It's tedious. It's hard to get this done.
Yeah.
Yep. You did an excellent job on it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Oh, man, I didn't know you got that good, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
This is definitely different from the backyard. God, you did a good job in here. Come on, man. I want to see more.
You want to see more?
Yeah.
I'll take you to another job right now, man.
Word up.
Yeah. So let me ask you something.
Yes.
Did I understand the assignment?
Did you? Man, please, come on, man. I'm ready to give you some money to do my bathroom. You really did understand the assignment. Yes, you truly did. It was exceptionally so, I agree. Yeah, you did. You did. You did. Man, come on. Oh, we back outside. I just came from outside from seeing the immaculate job that Gene did. I told him this time I want to go ahead and end the show because I know you guys are normally used to him ending it. But if you guys ever wanted anything transitioned in your bathrooms, your backyards, your kitchen, Gene has shown me that he really understands the assignment and can really get the job done in professionalism. I actually couldn't believe it, really. I'm actually thinking about getting it done myself, especially with the idea that we have the smart bathrooms. You got the Alexa up in the light. You got the dimmers all over the place. You got the toilets greeting you when you come in. It was such an experience, man, that, hey, you got to look for Gene to get this work done. Hands down, he overstood the assignment. Y'all might say understood, but I'm saying it on an exceptional level that he really got it right this time. Peace. And we walk off.